Hi friends, welcome to Code Hub. In previous session we have to seen out what is Python and why we need Python and how to install the Python. But now what is Python IDEs and how to install the Jupyter notebook. Let's see. Python is a programming language, but it can't do any coding and any editing versions. We need to use some tools like Jupyter Notebook or PyCharm or NetBeans. What is called this is IDEs. IDEs means integrated development environments. We gonna use editing the code or writing the code or debugging the code or test the code, and we have to use Jupyter Notebook or PyCharm or NetBeans, like these kind of tools which we have to using. In these Jupyter or PyCharms are working in different programming languages like Java, C++, and C and Python. It works in different platforms and different programming languages. But I need to use only Jupyter Notebook, and here I have to use Jupyter Notebook. It is very easy and very flexible tool. Jupyter existing to developing open source and web application software. This is an open source, freely using and comfortably and flexibly usable tool, and it is a web application. We can using it directly opened it Chrome. It can using to we have done in Python data cleaning and transformation, numerical situations and simulations and statistical models and data visualization and machine learning tools and algorithms and more we can use in Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook supports over 40 languages like Python or Java, Scala, Jupyter, Java, like 40 languages can support in Jupyter Notebook. This is Jupyter Notebook icon. We have to install Jupyter Notebook. Let's see. In Jupyter Notebook, we need to install Anaconda. Let's go to Chrome. Type Anaconda, download. First one, individual editor. And go down here. We have seen download icon. Just click this. It's going to down, and here we're gonna using in different OS operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux. I need use 64-bit graphic installation. This content has 466 MB. Just click this. It should be automatically downloaded, but I have already downloaded in my downloading folder. Let's go to download folder, and this is the Anaconda file. Just click it, and it asking to next. Let's continue next, and this is the license. uh, if you want to read it, you just read, and otherwise just go agree. And installation for any users, company purpose, or just for me only in my computer, just I am using in my computer, just. And this is the path they're gonna be installed. Just click the next, and here asking add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable or register Anaconda in my different Python 3.7, but I need register the Anaconda 3. Just go install. It should be take some time to installing this Anaconda. it should be completed. Go for the next. And here we need to go next and next. Finish. It will open some web page just showing the content of Anaconda, what is having, create an account. We don't need anything. Just go back. And next, how to run Jupyter Notebook. Just go to Chrome and we will see in Jupyter Notebook, and this is an official site. Click it and next and install. Here, getting started with the classic Jupyter Notebook. We have used conda function. Conda means is Anaconda. In this command can run it as a conda prompt. Just copy this uh, Control C and using Windows Anaconda prompt is a this is a Anaconda prompt by using Anaconda 3. Just click this here, open some command prompt. Just we have copied that, paste here and run this. Packages should be collecting. If this is take some time, and then some solving environments, it should be done. And the next, uh, giving packages values and asking yes or no. I want to yes. Click yes and enter. It should be downloaded and extracted packages. And here see, two files should be in downloaded and extracted. And here also Python and Conda files are downloading and it should be extracted automatically. And here completing the downloading and uh, preparing and verifying and executing should be done. We need to go Jupyter. Just type Jupyter Notebook and enter. It will take some time and directly go with the Chrome. Open the page. This is the Jupyter web page. This is the local hosting 8888/3. And what is Jupyter? Just see the previous file should be shown, and here the click new icon and open Python 3 should be opened in a different page. And here we have to see in file, editing, view, insert, cell, con. These icons are using and futurely, and we have to create anything and we have to use any library and anything to do here. Just click a equals to 20, shift enter, and I need to print this. Print a, shift enter. This is a code editor. It's very easy and very comfortable and flexible code editor is a Jupyter. That's it. And please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.